In today's video, we're going to talk about evicting a tenant in 2022, coming up next. Okay, we're here in the beautiful city of Irvine, and we're evicting a tenant who has not been paying their rent for over a year due to COVID situation. But now that that's over, it's time to start the eviction process. So we started the eviction process some time ago. And the first thing that I like to do when I'm taking up a case like this, because this is not mine, this is a client's. This was actually a referral from another agent. And this agent does refer me a lot of business nowadays due to the COVID situation. So the first thing that I like to do is literally knock on the door, introduce myself, tell them who I am, why I'm here, you haven't been paying your rent, what can we do to resolve that issue? Are you ready to start paying your rent? You know, what's going on in your life, in your situation? Basically be Mr. Nice Guy, okay? And I'm always Mr. Nice Guy anyway. It doesn't really matter whether it's this or at the process that we're going to do today, which is the actual physical eviction of the tenant with the sheriff. So first thing, nice, what's going on? Introduce yourself, what's the situation? Are you able to pay? If not, then we're gonna go to the next step. And I always like to tell them what the steps are so that they know that they're not aware. I'm not making any threats. I'm telling them exactly what it is. The next step, if they don't pay, then we will serve them with a pay or quit notice. If they don't respond to that, then I get my attorney involved, okay? So my eviction attorney's been doing this for over 40 years. He's got a lot of experience. He's up on all these laws that are current, and he's ready to go whenever I send him a deal. So, so here we are, and the next thing the attorney does is, again, he files that eviction notice with the court. And then that puts them on legal notice that they have to vacate the property. They can contest that notice, okay, and that's up to them. And I have one that I'm going to court on next month. And I'll get a video of that one as well to show you. But anyways, the legal process starts. I kind of really back off at that point and just let the attorney take care of it. Once that goes through a legal process, then if the attorney says, okay, you know, we're ready, it was not contested, I've got the sheriff's department or local police department, whoever handles the eviction in your county, I have them coming out, okay? So that's where we're at today, is that the sheriff is coming out to physically lock this person out of this home so that we can take possession again and put it back on the market and rent it, and hopefully have a paying tenant at that point in time, okay? So, nice guy, knock on door, notices, another notice, their opportunity to go to court. They don't go to court, then we get to this process, okay? And so here we are, and the next thing that will be coming up was the actual eviction by the sheriff's department. This is awesome. Yeah.
It's not
awesome.
bad shape either.
No.
Yeah, I was just asking her if it was.
It's in pretty
Oh,
decent shape.
Cleaning, but
perfect,
that's about it.
perfect.
Joe, if I could get signature from you and then print your name below.
All right, I'm gonna go download.
All right.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Tommy,
Thank you. You too.
Thank you again, sir.
Yeah, you guys do great work. Okay, so we're here. The sheriff just cleared the house. We haven't been inside yet. They said it was in good shape. Hopefully it is. They always leave an eviction restoration notice, as you see here. And what this is basically we have possession of the property now. So if anybody comes back, they're trespassing on the property, I can call, say they're not tenants anymore because they were evicted, and they will get them out at that point in time. So let's go in and see what we have. Watch your step here. They also do post it on the door. This is the same notice. They just post on the door. So it looks like bedroom in here, and another bathroom. Wow, this is a big place. I always kind of like to look at the property and see, you know, maybe they left some stuff behind or whatever. Sometimes they leave some little stuff behind that it's not literally valuable or anything, but you know, just kind of junk stuff. Light. Yeah, that's unusual that they're paying for utilities. They left us some balloons I can see here. Let's clear down here first, and then we'll go outside real quick. As you can see, it's a pretty big place. It's, you know, pretty nice. I'll come back later, but I always like to look in the drawers because sometimes they leave some stuff in the drawers and the doors or whatever, maybe some extra keys or remotes for the garage, whatever, things like that. You can see this big pile. Not that I'm going to go through that. I'll just have, oh, see, somebody ordered us some pizza. Oh my gosh, it's still here. Check that out. They ordered pizza and they just left it there. Wow. Oh yeah, that's like really old. Then we have, I think, the garage out here. Yeah, got the garage. And the door out to the side. We'll go ahead and lock that so that nobody can come in. Garage looks in nice shape. Obviously a couple of boxes here. Looks like a fan. I don't know what that is, just an empty box. Just, you know, just junk that was left around, but so far I'm very pleased that there's no major damage. Looks like some painting that needs to go on to put this house back on the market. And some cleaning, obviously. Let's take a look in the backyard real quick since we're down here. So we got a hose, a little chair, a shovel. Nothing's been dug up, no dead bodies. Just joking. Again, everything looks pretty nice. You know, not bad at all. This house is not that old either. It's in very, very good shape. We'll take a look upstairs. Go ahead. We'll take a look upstairs and see what's going on upstairs. Okay, so we have like a loft area here. You could actually turn this into a room if you wanted to, putting a door here, and then you put a closet, and then this would be a room. So let's count that as one, and then we've got a room over here. Looks like this is the master. Again, no damage on any wall so far. I'm like totally shocked that there's nothing damaged. Shower, and then a closet, and then another closet. So two closets. Big giant walk-in closet, and then I call this the his and the hers. Not bad at all. These are upgraded plantation shutters. These are super nice and expensive. This is great. This is awesome. So we got 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and we got the laundry room here. Turn the light on. And then we have another bedroom here. And then this bedroom has its own bathroom as well. Cool. No damage. Wow. I'm shocked that there isn't any damage. Wow. And then another bathroom. Wow, this place has so many bathrooms. It's amazing. Take a picture of this lamp. Yeah. Well, as you can see, I think all I need to do is painting, clean up the carpet or replace it. There's a couple of dark stains here, but they should be able to take that stuff out. So I'm more apt to recommending that they clean the carpet and literally put it back on the market, get it leased out to somebody who is responsible, and they'll make the lease payment every month, which is the next thing that I do. I have to go through all that process to get to the point where I pick somebody that I know is going to be in here for a while. After COVID, I used to ask for 1 month of deposit. After COVID, I require 2 months of deposit, and you have to have a pretty good credit score, especially in a place like this. It's gonna be probably around, I'd say around $6,500 a month, somewhere around there, to rent this. So you're gonna need to put a hefty deposit down on something like this and have a good credit score, be able to let me check your background and all that information related to actually renting a place. I'm Joe Homs. I've been doing this for over 40 years. I'm an investor, mentor, a real estate agent, broker. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't ever hesitate to call, reach out, text, email. All that information's on the channel. So if you guys want to see another eviction video where I actually start the process, so that's me filing the paperwork for the tenant at their door, knocking on the door. They were unresponsive. But if you want to see that video, just click on it right here and you'll find it. And that's kind of the beginning process. This is really the end, but the one up here is the beginning process.